Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the theory base of accounting. Today we are going to make discussions on the full disclosure concept and conservatism concept. Full disclosure words refers with the disclose fully. So this concept is referring to apart from the legal requirement. This is the legal requirement means as per the Company Act. Now it is requirement. The good accounting practices require the all the materials, all the significant information, all the meaningful informations to be disclosed fully. So the Company Act 2013 provides the full disclosures, the terms as the legal requirement of the companies to disclose the materials and all the information which are related with the financial statement and having more meaning, more significant information. So what does it mean, the full disclosure concept? This concept is indicate to disclose fully the details related to the informations required at the time of preparing of the financial statements, which make the financial statements more meaningful, more significant. So examples are given here like the reason of low turnover, low sales. The reason should be disclosed there. So this is indicate the causes. It will helps to take the further decision. Now the next is the conservatism concept. Conservatism indicates losses can be think in advance, but profits cannot be. So this concept is referring to the losses and uncertainties if business is facing or may be expecting to be face so many kind of losses or the uncertainties, it can be assumed with the first day of the business. So here the example, but the profits will remain on the actuals. It will be entered in or it will be recorded when it happens. Like the examples are given, you are a government company and there is a possibility of the companies to withdraw the subsidy. When a company is going to withdraw the subsidy, you cannot provide as a loss of subsidy as the loss now itself. But conservatism indicate the it may be think in advance. That means expected number of years. And now the government is likely to the increase the price of petrol, so means which is the one of the essential part of the company for the input of the material or to produce the material, but then even then it cannot be considered as loss. It no need to maintain the think in advance as a losses. So there is a suppose a fire in your factory and the goods are lost. When it is lost or the possibilities of the lost means it can be happen with the negligences of the employees or any other materials like in the storage. So there is a need to be insured, but when the claim is to be insured from the insurance company, then there is not a loss to be faced by the organization, but it is expected, so the provision can be maintained. Like the another examples I am giving, when a business is selling the goods on credit to the customer, so the possibilities of to receive or maybe the bad debts of the material amount is to be recovered. So that means the chances of the amount to be goes bad. So that means the in advance such kind of the provisions can be considered to minimize the risk in place of affecting to the one particular year. It will be scattered into the different number of years or to be assumed the funds from the different number of years. So these are the meaning. Means the convertism is to be considered only when it related with the losses only. Thank you.